Are you still smiling? Still holding out your hands? Are you still hoping soon it's all will end? Are you still watching how life passes you by? Do you cry? Do you cry? And do you sleep without waking in the night? And do you walk with no one on your side? And do you love yourself who you are? For I do. For I. Well, do you think of me? Do you wonder what I'm doing? Do you have a dream that we will one day be together? And I still run away from my head. I never sleep on your side of the bed. And I know that all this is to end, but I am scared. Yes, I am scared. And all the best ones are still sad songs, and all my sad songs, they're still about you. For the both of us I have to let go. This is the last song I'll write about you. This is the last song that I sing for. Well, do you think of me? And do you wonder where I'm going? Do you have a dream that we will one day be together? Can you be free? Are you happy without me? And are we not meant to be? This has to end, yeah, this has to end. Oh, 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 oh. This is the last song I'll write about you. This is the last song I'll write about you. This is the last song I'll write about you. This is the last song that I sing.